Okay, in this playlist and tutorial, we want to talk about the Koru, the WebGL exporting software that you can import your 3D model and export WebGL HTML file for your website. The Koru is AppsforLife software. You can click on that. The WebGL software for presenting 3D object on the web. You can see, go to the gallery, for example, something like that. You can see you can export your 3D model very easily with very optimized export and smooth 3D model for HTML file. And from here you can purchase the Koru. Okay, and we have full version and free and demo version. So for this purpose we are now using the demo version for tutorial, and if you want you can purchase it. From here you can download for Windows, Mac, and we download and creating tutorial for you. And here is a Koru. It's very simple and straightforward. You can drop your 3D model here to begin, or you can, I will be show you the user interface, but from here you can simply drag and drop your 3D model from the basic shapes, navigate, inserting material to that, change the setting of the scene, and then simply export HTML file to your cloud, server, or disk, and then put it in your website. It's acting like a Sketchfab. It's very simple, and we have 4 steps for exporting. It's very easy. And if you next, and done. You can see it, you can export this. Okay, it tells you, okay, it's a demo for disappearing the watermark. You have to go and purchase that, but we don't need now for tutorial, and if you need you can go back and purchase that.